Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Life with Felix Hlophe. So guys, this episode starts off with Felix who's at restaurant, you guys, waiting for someone. And I knew it, you guys, he was waiting for Ayanda. Because one thing about Felix, guys, he's a married man, but the way he is so desperate for Utando from Ayanda. You'd swear this man is a single man, you guys. But listen, Ayanda did say the last time, even if Lendota is walking off like that, I know he'll be coming back to me. I know Sizobuyelana. And listen, the girl did not lie, because Felix is, guys, in a rush after firing his whole family and the whole world. Ayanda, there he is meeting up no Ayanda, you guys, trying to grasp Landoya's tempo, even though it's not working for him, but he's forcing it, you guys. But the way these people are so nice to one another, guys, I'm just like, did these people break up? Shuti vela ama vibes akhona. These people shuti bayathandana ngempela, you guys. Maybe they just needed a breeze njengana. You know what they say, hey, absence makes the heart grow fonder or something like that. Because the way these people are so chatty, you'd swear the last time they left one another, things were not hectic, you guys. Felix goes on to say, me and Ayanda, we had plans, we had dreams, we invested so much in our relationship, and I don't want all of that to go down the drain. I really want us to see. I called you here to see if we can really fix this thing. Yethu. Ayanda says, you know what? I'm willing. And boom, just like that, guys. You know what's funny? Is that Tracy is so happy about the fact that they've broken up. But it just took a simple sentence for Ayanda to take back this man. Oh, guys, that's the into. Tracy, what an embarrassing time to be a wife. Felix in his diary session says he's seen the sisterhood between Ayanda and Tracy. He's seen the love, he's seen the good times, and he really wants to revive that. Guys, I keep asking myself, what good times, what sisterhood is Felix talking about? Because coming from Tracy's side, it was never like that. She was just keeping she was just doing it for the sake of, she wanted indoda ukuthi ibe happy. Felix does tell her though that in due time, Ayanda, she is gonna have to go and apologize to Tracy. And I'm guessing for what Ayanda said, Tracy said that the child is not Felix's. I guess she has to apologize for that. And Ayanda says, listen, I am willing to do that. Next scene, we see Tracy and bestie, her best friend, they're out quad biking. So after they're done quad biking, they have like a mini conversation. Tracy is planning a traditional wedding, you guys. While she is busy planning a traditional wedding, her man is busy chasing unekana no Ayanda. Abangamfuni. Let me not say agamfuni, but bandla. I don't know what's going on between Ayanda. Is it that Ayanda Ramfuni or Felix? Is it that what's going on? Because from far, it will seem to Ayanda is a bad girl and Felix is following her. But when you get close and you listen to the story, it seems like Ayanda is not a bad girl. She is just a girl that is tired of a man making promises or making empty promises to her, and this man keeps begging her to be in his life to continue making her a clown. Tracy goes on to tell her friend, her father and her stepmother want the wedding to be by their house, meaning by the father's house. Abanga, guys, indoda, that was not part of your life. All of a sudden, uzoba special ngawe. Why does he want the wedding to be at his house? Fine, I get it traditionally, guys. When Vel and Jacinto, that's how it's supposed to be, because the father did say there are some traditional ceremonies and stuff he wants to do for Tracy. But the way the situation is, guys, I do feel like it's a bit much for the father and the stepmother to ask for the wedding to be at their house. Now, Tracy's mother's like, listen, that's not going to happen. Tracy, if we are vuma, your wedding's going to be by your father's house, angizi mina lapho. Yo, guys, it is a tense situation. So Tracy's saying she wants to meet up with her family and discuss this because she really doesn't know what to do. Yes, she wants her father to do the right things for her, but at the end of the day, and her mother's family, so she also wants to fulfill their wishes to a certain extent. Listen, Tracy, all the best, my dear. But all I want to say, Tracy, I don't know, guys. When she's watching the show with all along, Mina, I was excited planning a wedding. Kantu muntu, I was excited ukuthi hey, indaba yesithembu iphelile, uAyanda's out of my life. Kanti your man is busy begging uAyanda them. Okay, next scene, Ayanda, guys, we see Ayanda, she is home and she is having a conversation with her mother. One thing I'm going to say, guys, I know ukuthi it's nice ukuthi sixoxele abazali inkinga zama relationship ethu, but it's better to xoxela a sister or a friend, not umzali, guys, because I just feel like even though your sister and or your friend is going to take things personal when that person hurts you, but umzali wakho, especially your mother, is going to take it to another level. Ayanda xoxela uma wakhe zonke inkinga that she has or has been having with Felix, and listen, Ayanda is having this conversation with wakhe to tell wakhe ukuthi ay mase kunjalo, now I'm going there. I am going there esithembini emshadweni, and her mother's like, ay mina angazi. Now we know, guys, once watshela umzali something and they say angazi, you know already. You know already ukuthi abayivumi lento, ibile iyababhora lento, and that's why they don't even want to talk. That's why they're saying angazi. Now the thing is, Ayanda wants to continue with Felix, but her mother is just like, how are you continuing? Not that I don't want you to be happy, but A, B, and C, she's counting all of these things, you guys. It's better, guys, like get married first, ne? And then maybe get married first and then vulele isifuba sakho kumzali wakho or something. Because I feel like it's different, guys, when it's marriage. Kodwa umjolo, isithembu somjolo wes. Anyway, the mother guy says ukuthi mina ngiyabuza Ayanda kodwa I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling this whole thing of you and Felix saying ukuthi nilungise izinto. This man even made you quit your job, guys. Ayanda then says ukuthi hawu ma kodwa ngibuyele nje. The mother says no ubuyele because things were bettering for you. I'm just like, girl, what level of umjolo makes you quit your job, guys? I understand where you think you're alone, ne? But esithembini, you're going to quit your job. Hi, guys. When she's explaining it in her diary session, she's saying, no, Felix was going through the most, and Tracy was not around, so I was his shoulder to cry on, so he asked me to quit his job. So got here, Felix made Ayanda quit her job so that she can be a house girlfriend because Tracy was quite frankly tired of his nonsense. That's a girl risking so much when you know you've got 2 kids. Aye. The mother goes on to say, ukuthi owesibili Felix unamanga. And he didn't fulfill any of his promises. Apparently, Felix, guys, he had promised ukuthi ngoJune, alazi which June, you guys, that he was going to come, ayosveza, to introduce himself. Abike ukuthi what are his intentions. No, Ayanda. He didn't do that, guys. That's very disrespectful. You can't stand someone, stand up, or that word. You can't stand up someone's family like that. Guys, do you know how embarrassing that is? Because your mother has to go and tell the uncles, tell important people, jiggy, haibo, uchulwe. Aye, guys. Then Billy, apparently he promised to fix the house that Ayanda was staying in. But anyway, the mother says, Felix did not fix the house. Ayanda was staying there as a prisoner. living like a prisoner. I wish the mother could elaborate on that, because when I saw the house, guys, the house looked beautiful. So I don't know, but I guess even if the house is beautiful, if Felix promised which is to renovate and do certain things, he should have done that, you guys. But listen, the mother is not having it because she feels like this man has promised too many things and he has not fulfilled it. Ayanda says sometimes this man will tell him Sthando sam, we're going out today, zilungiselele, prepare ntontoni. Ayanda will go ahead and tell her mother, mom, she will wait for indoda. Guys, have you ever dated for indoda ezoglindisa? Even in the AMs, you will be waiting and he'll still be telling you he's on his way. Felix did that to Ayanda, and the mother saw all of that. Now the mother is even saying, this man speaks bad about his wife, azochela wena. And then when you speak in Daba that he told you, all of a sudden you're the bad person. I'm just like, Kanto Felix unjan, guys. How does you go and speak bad things? Guys, because Umsele who does the same thing. That's what his wives don't like about him. Maybe it's not for men because they can't keep their mouth shut. What do you mean you're going to go and speak bad about your wife to a girlfriend? Hi, guys. But Ayanda does ask her mother to calm down and to accept all of this, because she's saying, Ma, mina no Felix sizozilungisa lezinto. I know namaphutha wakhe, nam nginamaphutha wami. We're going to fix all of this. Please just calm down. Now, the way the mother speaks of Ayanda, guys, even the way she was speaking to her mother, it made me look at things in a different light. Ayanda really seems like a sweet girl, you guys, and I kind of felt sorry for her at that point. And it made me wonder, could it be that she just has a bad choice in men, or the type of men that attract her, or the men who are not serious? Because I can't seem to understand if she's such a sweet girl that is just always laughing. Kelly, that just seems like she can make a good wife, you guys. I'm just thinking to myself, which man wouldn't want to marry a beautiful woman like this? And she's got 2 children, unmarried, you guys. That's how I'm saying, girl, maybe Marayo Kata or something, but maybe it's the guys she's attracting or the guys that she's woomering. Because I'm like, girl, you could have been married and you could have gotten your own man, girl. Ezoktanda, who's gonna make you the queen of his heart, or make you or treat you like the queen that you are. But here she is settling with indoda. That bad mouth his own wife, doesn't keep promises to his own wife. What makes her think she's going to be any different? Angas. Anyway, last scene, Felix goes and see his sister, you guys. His sister, Unozipo. And he's going to update Unozipo with Mina and Ayanda. We are back together. He also says Ayanda wants to apologize to you and to Tracy. Now, guys, we hear that Ayanda umoshile. Now, my question is, umoshe kanjani? Or maybe is it that Ayanda had a big mouth, umoshe ngoxoxa nento Tracy, and saying ukuthi ingane Tracy is not Felix's, or what? Umoshe kanjani? But you know what? All I'm going to say is that I am happy with the way Unozipo responded to things. Unozipo says, listen, I don't even feel like Ayanda owes me an apology, because at the end of the day, Ayanda uze gwen. I am happy, Putwam, if you are happy. What I like, guys, is that she chose not to enter herself windaba that doesn't directly affect her. You understand what I'm saying? Because some families, next thing they want to get hey, uputwami, uhete uput ungena piwena. So the sister was like, mina, angingeni ndawo, that is between them. They need to sort it out. As long as Ayanda can apologize to Ulokozana, to Felix, then I am fine. Because at the end of the day, Felix is the one who introduced me to her. So if Felix is fine with her, I am fine with her. Guys, how I wish other sister-in-laws could cheat girlfriend or abomakoti in that type of way. And especially most of these sister wives are not even married, yet they like doing such things. Anyway, let's park it right there, guys, because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.